Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana lesson number 11. Rebuile gape, leina la me ke Etienne.
Leina la me ke Mpho.
We are here to teach you some Setswana. Au siame Mpho?
Ke siame Tian, au siame?
Ke siame. A re simole.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta!
Alright Mpho, today we are talking about days, weeks and seasons of the year. Alright, so let's start with the week.
Yes.
Monday. What is Monday in Setswana?
Musupologo.
Mosupologo.
Yes.
Alright.
There's a verb, go supologa. O supologa mo selengweng, you're getting up or getting out of something.
Okay, getting up out of something. Now what about Tuesday? What would Tuesday be?
La bobedi.
Labobedi.
Yes.
Alright.
Letsatsi. La bobedi.
Letsatsi la bobedi. What does that mean?
Second day.
Oh,
So this is the second day.
Two was pedi, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Pedi. So it's the second day, Tuesday. Letsatsi la bobedi.
Okay. All right. So you can almost see the numbers forming here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Labobedi.
Yes.
Okay. So what is Wednesday?
La boraro.
Laboraro.
Yes.
I can see a pattern forming here. Labobedi, pedi, laboraro, taro.
Yes.
2, 3. So the third day of the week obviously being Wednesday.
Yes.
All right. Thursday.
For Thursday, la bone.
Labone. Okay.
Yes.
And the word for Friday?
La botlano.
La botlano. Tlano.
Tlano.
Still struggling with that a little bit.
Tlano.
La botlano.
Yes.
Okay. And Saturday?
La matlatso.
La matlatso.
Yes.
Okay.
La matlatso.
La matlatso.
Others, they will be saying satertag. But that is when it's informal.
Yes. Yes.
Mantaga. Saterdaga, Vrydaga. Those are all borrowed words from Afrikaans.
Yes.
So if you communicate with your friends, you are free to say, I was in town or ke ne ke le ko toropong ka Saterdag.
Yes. Okay. Well, that's easy. I prefer these borrowed words because it obviously links back to Afrikaans, makes it
Yes.
much easier. So what's the word for Sunday?
La Tipi.
La tipi. Tipi.
Tipi, literally bell. A bell, B-E-L-L.
Okay, like a church bell.
Like a church bell.
All right.
Because
so
most of the people are going to church.
on Sunday, yeah.
So literally when Botswana people heard that bell ring in Sunday morning, oh, today we call it La Tipi.
La tipi.
Yes.
Or Sondaga.
Sondag. Yes.
All right. Let's start with the months of the year. All right.
Okay.
So January, what would January be?
Firikgong.
Ferikgong. Ferikgong.
You say firikgong, you add the kg
Oh, that little from the throat.
from the throat.
Ferikgong.
Yes.
Ferikgong.
Firikgong.
Okay. And what is February?
Tlhakole.
Tlakole.
Tla.
Tla.
Yes. That's another thing that I need to teach you to sound it. Tla.
Yeah. Tla.
Yes. Like you're smiling. Tla.
Oh.
Yes.
Tla.
Yes.
It does help when you smile a bit. I got
Yes.
that. Tla.
Tla.
Tlakole.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to start being more aggressive with my class.
Yeah.
So March, what would March be?
Mopitlwe.
Mopitlwe.
Yes.
All right. And April?
Moranang.
Moranang.
Yes.
What would May be?
Motsheganong.
Sure, that's a big word. A big word for a small word.
Yes.
Motseganong.
Motse.
Tse.
Tse.
Okay, a little bit of a
Yes.
whisper then. Motseganong.
Great.
All right. And what would June be?
Seetebosigo.
Seetebosigo.
Yes, the sentence.
Is it a sentence? I just wanted to say, it seems like you're saying a sentence.
Yeah, it's a sentence. Seetebosigo literally means do not visit at night.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, seete.
Okay, so let's break it apart. The first word in in this word, you say it's like a sentence put together,
Yes.
is the se.
Se.
All right. What does
Meaning
that mean?
don't.
Don't.
Yes.
Okay.
Do not. Don't.
Okay. So that's the negative form of the imperative.
Yes. Eti.
Ete.
Eti.
All right.
Go eta. It's a verb.
Go eta.
To visit.
Oh, okay. Go eta.
Yes. Go eta.
It's always hard for me to explain to English speakers in Afrikaans, we kuier. So it's easy. It's just one word that sort of describes coming together and having communion
Communion. Yes.
amongst one another. But in English, you don't really have a word like that. So we say visit, but it's not really. So let's write there, have a feast as well.
Yes.
Okay. Now you said this literally means do not feast.
Do not visit. Do know. Moenie gaan kuier.
Yes.
Nee, when it's too dark.
When it's too dark.
Yes.
All right. That's very, very interesting. So if I told you to don't speak, would it be sebue?
Great.
Like if I say work, I say dira, work. So if you make it negative, it's se, and you change the dira to dire,
Yes.
as you would in a negative form,
Yes.
it becomes se dire.
Yes, you got it.
And what is July?
Phukwi.
Phukwi. And August?
Phatwe.
Phatwe.
Yes.
What is September?
Lwetsi.
Lwetse.
Yes.
All right. And October?
Diphalane.
Dipalane. And November?
Ngwanatsele.
Mwanatsele.
Yes.
All right. And December?
Sidimonthole.
The words are becoming bigger and bigger. Sedimontole.
Yes,
All right.
Sidimonthole.
Okay, so those are the 12 months of the year. All right. Let's start with the seasons of the year. What is spring?
Spring dikgakologo.
Dikgakologo.
Yes. We find a verb there. Go gakologa. Literally defrost.
To defrost.
To defrost.
Okay, so the verb is go gakologa.
Yes.
In spring, the snow starts melting, and that's
Yes.
where it comes from.
Yes.
Okay. Dikgakologo.
Yes.
Dikgakologo. All right. And what is summer?
Selemo.
Selemo.
Yes.
And autumn?
Letlhafula.
Letlafula.
Yes.
And winter. What's winter?
Mariga.
Mariga. Now, I see you've added some sentences here to utilize the new vocabulary. And you said, I am going to work on Monday. How would you say that?
Ke ya tirong ka mosupologo.
All right. So the verb for to go, I go.
The verb is go ya.
Okay.
To go.
So I go, ke ya. And then what did you say then?
Ke ya tirong.
Tirong.
Yes. Tirong, it's work.
Oh, I remember. Yes.
Ka mosupologo.
On. So it's in this context, it will be on Monday.
On Monday.
Okay.
Yes.
On Tuesday, I'm going to town.
Yes. Ka labobedi ke ya toropong.
Ka labobedi.
Yes. Ke ya toropong.
So once again, the ka being on Tuesday.
Yes.
Okay. I got that. Ke ya, I go. All right. Toropong.
Toropong.
All right.
Town.
Okay.
You see what I did there. I could have also said ka musupologo ke ya tirong.
Yes,
So I'm giving you two ways of saying these.
Absolutely. I just got that. Yeah.
Yes.
So you have an option of starting. It's just like in English. You can start on Tuesday I'm going, or I'm going to town on Tuesday.
On Tuesday. Yes.
All right. On Wednesday I'm going to a meeting.
Yes.
How would I say that?
Ka laboraro ke ya kopanong.
Ka laboraro on Wednesday.
Yes.
Ke ya I'm going.
Yes.
Kopanong.
Yes. The meeting. There's a verb go kopana, meaning to meet. You remember the ng that we spoke about?
I remember.
Yes. Ka ya ke ya ko kopanong or kopanong.
Okay. Today is the 1st of January 2014. Now, what would be the informal way of saying it?
The informal way of it, it's gompieno ke di first tsa Ferikgong 2014.
Gompieno today. Ke
The first.
D first. Get D
Now
first.
we're putting English into it.
That's right. And then you said tsa feriko.
Yes.
So of January. How would I say I was born on the 29th of March, 1983?
The informal version of it, ke tsetswe ka di 29 tsa Mopitlwe 1983.
Get tsetswe
Ka
ka on. So
Yes.
I was born on
On.
D29 tsa,
of.
once again making it of Mopitlwe, March 1983.
Perfect.
That's awesome. Yes, Mpho, thank you so much once again for joining us. It's been a great lesson. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please remember to go to 20minutesetswana.co.za. That's 20min setswana.co.za. From my side, we'll see you next week.
Ke lebogile bagaetsho.
Go fihlela
Nako
nako
e
e tlang.
tlang.
20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say, yay!